Okay, this is what I'm starting on now. These are going to be kind of like the rustic candle holders that I made, only they're going to be the more, they're going to be white, the more just country farmhouse style. And I made my daughter a set of these, and I'll insert a picture here on how she styled hers in her home. These are just made out of your 4x4 post holders, and you just cut them 3 different sizes. And I went out and found me some wood. I would like to have that just a smidget wider, but I didn't have any in my scraps, so when I get them done they'll look fine. But that's the way they're going to be. I'm going to start on them now. Probably put a dark stain on them and then paint them white, and as I progress I'll come back and show you what I'm doing. Alright, here's what I'll be doing is I'm putting the Waverly Antique Wax on all of it. And then I'll go back with probably my norm, the plaster by Waverly. I have all of the blocks stained with the antique wax. It's time to put on the plaster color. Well, I got them painted all with the plaster color, and now I'm going to take them out to the garage. I'm going to let them dry just a little bit more. Might hit them with the heat gun, but I'm going to take them out to the garage and take my sander and distress them. Alright, here's what I'm thinking. I've been through all these little doodaddy things I have. I've had these for a long time, but I might as well use them. I did have this one. Whoops, I gotta show what I'm doing that. I decided to go with this. And I think this is what I'm gonna go with on each one of them. I have the blocks ready to put them on. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these on. Well, what I'll do with that handle is, let me get my jig for whatever it's called my husband made me. Let me make sure it fits. It's a drawer pull. Yep, fits perfect. So what I'll do is I'll put it this where I want my handle, and make it up here, and I'll drill the holes, and then of course I won't be able to use the screw that come with it, but I'll glue a little dowel rod in each one of these and then glue it on there. That's how I'll secure that handle on that. And this I'll just use some glue, and I might even find, I have some upholstery thumbtacks. I think it might match that and kind of put it in the middle there. It's just, how when you craft, you just come up with things as you go. Alright, I'm going to take care of that stuff and get them glued to the base, and they'll be finished. These are really a simple project. If you want something easy to do, cut you some blocks, paint them, sand them, stick some stuff on them, and you're done. And they're really cute. That goes in there about that far. So, need it about double. See if that works. 2 of those. Now put some glue on both ends. Well, if I can get the glue out of there. Okay, I have glue on that one.
You need to come back here and shit on some of Mama's shit. Huh? Here. Come back here and stand on Mama.
I can't hold a chicken, a rooster while I'm filming.
You're filming?
Yeah.
Well, Roo's gonna help.
You want to help them, Roo? See if they can sing. There. There's the rooster. Okay, you're going to have to leave. He's been in this morning.
He's been in this
Yeah,
morning?
he's
Okay.
been in. I had to throw him out because he kept jumping up on the cabinets.
Mama throwed you out?
Yep.
Bad rooster.
It was being bad.
Come here and I'll throw you out. Well, I know, it's awful rough for a rooster. Awful rough on a rooster. Awful rough on a rooster.
Did I get that crooked? I hope not. Okay, it's on there. Now I'll let it dry good. I know, thank goodness the winds went down some. Well, it's blowing. It's just
Winds went way down.
it's went down compared to
Back up here a little bit or what?
40, 50 mile an hour winds. I think they're only about 20 now. But that feels calm. Okay. Where's my stick? I'm gonna put that one on there. Okay. Looks good. I'm going to look and see if I don't have an upholstery tag, and it'll work on that. Well, it's a little bright, but I can put some black on it to tone it down. There's one with a star. Try this one. Ah, it's sticking to my finger. Yep, I like that. Okay, to the next one. There it is. I lost it. I should have put some hot glue on these so I could have went ahead and worked on them and glued them to the base. Didn't even think. And there's that one. Now I'm going to let these dry for about an hour or so before I put them on the blocks, and I'll come back and show you how they turned out. And I hope you enjoyed seeing my rooster. Alright, here's how they turned out. Here's the one with the handle. You can most definitely put candles on all three of them. I just grabbed a candle off my rustic set on my mantle. And there's the last one, the little short one. And this one here is when I put the little tack in, upholstery tack. I hope you enjoyed the video, and be looking for the next one because I'll have a set of the 4x4 blocks in it done with the patriotic decor. I'll be doing several things that are patriotic. So until the next one, we'll see you later.